Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this brand new Volkswagen Golf Black Edition. This Golf is powered by a 2-litre TDI 150 PS engine with automatic transmission. It's finished in the Urano grey paintwork with Black Edition styling. To the side of the vehicle you find the 18-inch Leeds alloy wheels, and to the front the Matrix LED headlights that keep the road well lit. Coming into the boot, I find the Golf offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a privacy screen and shopping bag hooks. From the boot you can also access the tow bar. Into your rear seating, and you'll find the interior to be fitted with a stylish leather seating, which features a folding armrest with cup holders and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you'll find your vent controls and 2 USB ports. Moving into the cabin, I find your active climate sport seats with the driver's side having power adjustment, alongside other features such as wireless phone charging, USB ports, cup holders and storage inside the armrest. The heated multifunction steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your cockpit display. Moving on to the infotainment system, there are various ways to listen to media such as FM and DB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto is available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can access various vehicle settings. You can access your driver assist features. Driving profile is available with a range of drive modes for you to choose from. You can customise the colour of your display. And you can also customise your speaker's equaliser settings. From the display you can also access your car's climate control system with heating and cooling functionality for your front seats. This Golf comes equipped with parking sensors and a rear view camera, allowing you to park up stress free. And on the roof of the cabin you'll find controls for your panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the brand new Volkswagen Golf Black Edition that is now available to purchase at Wrexham Volkswagen. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to run a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.